Alrighty guys, welcome back to another trade recap. Today was very simple. So let's get started. I took a pretty late entry. This wasn't really my model to the tick pretty much. So what do we see here? So zoom out a little bit to like the 15-minute. We can see that we have a higher time frame SMT with Asia highs. We are also delivering from this buy side liquidity with another SMT. So we kind of have double SMT and we have significant liquidity taken out. Hence why we started to dump here at market open. So over here, it is 931. So you can see market open just continuously dumps lower. We're getting a lot of rebalance displacement, rebalance displacement. Now, the reason I wasn't really entering short around here was because we have these draws on liquidity right here. I didn't know what was going to happen at these draws on liquidity if we wanted to reverse off of them or have some type of rebalance higher. Okay. So I stay patient here. Then I saw that we have this rebalance here. This is currently 943. Then we start to displace off of that rebalance there. All right. I did take this entry here only because once we displace here, I saw that we kind of have this rebalance here. I just stayed a little bit patient. I didn't really want to mess with anything here. Kind of wanted to wait for a little bit cleaner structure in which we came down more, got close to the drawn liquidity, which was London lows, and then I saw that we start to have a rebalance. Now, if you notice from this little swing high right here, draw this out from this high to this low, we have yet to rebalance set of a premium. Now, I was waiting for something like this to happen, rebalance set of a premium, and then start to displace if we really wanted to continue lower. So 10 a.m. opens up, we rebalance into 0.705, which is premium, and then we start to displace lower, as you can see here. So this is not true displacement. Then we kind of have this rebalance wick in here, and then we start to go down lower. Kind of want more confirmation, see what happens within this little buy side imbalance right here. So we displace through that buy side imbalance after rebalancing here, and then we create an SMT. Once we created that SMT, I saw that we start to displace lower, and then I got in off of this rebalance wick here. So I entered short here, stop loss above the manipulation wick, targeting this low. And then I take profited in literally 1 minute pretty much, netting me 1500 or 1540 across 3 accounts, as you can see right here. So that's like $4,600 on the day. Not a bad day at all. So pretty good. And then we ended up running down lower to the drawn liquidity. And then we got a nice little reversal off of that drawn liquidity right there. Okay. So that was pretty much it. It was literally just as simple as continuing the trend with a rebalance displacement entry. I don't know why it's like that. Continuing the trend with a rebalance displacement, and that was it. Very simple day. Not really my model to the tick, I would say. It's definitely not my model, but it's still something. It was very discretionary based entry, and I don't ever trade really at this time either. It's 10:07, but I saw the entry. I was like, this doesn't look too bad. Let me take this real quick. As soon as this candle started to displace lower, I trailed my stop loss to break even. I didn't want to really be too risk adverse, knowing that we are this deep into a discount and we're very close to drawn liquidity and we haven't really taken out too much liquidity to begin with. So kind of wanted to stay like a little bit patient. But yeah, overall super simple day. Really good continuation down to the draw, and that was pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this trade recap, and I will see you guys later. Peace.